Hi. In this tutorial, we will see how to create a simple Hello World app in React Native, using the Expo Bare Workflow. In the previous video, we had learned how to do the same task using Expo Managed Workflow. What software needs to be installed to create a React Native app, and what is the difference between the Managed Workflow and Bare Workflow? All these things are already covered in our previous tutorial. If you haven't seen that yet, please watch that video also. Okay, let's start. First, I have opened a command prompt on the desktop, because I want my project folder to be created on the desktop. To create a React Native app, we will use this command. Here, write the name of your app. Like this. Do not give any spaces in the app name and keep the first letter capital. But why is this template blank written? Because otherwise, React Native will give us a lot of boilerplate code, which may confuse a developer who is not yet familiar with many of those things. So, to keep things simpler, we tell React Native to keep the project as blank as possible. Do not create unnecessary files and folders. Okay. Copy this line and paste it here. Hit enter. After some time, the project will be ready. See, it says here so. If I go to the desktop, I can see the project folder now. Okay. Now, we have to go to the project folder location. Like this. Okay. Now, the next command is to build our app. Copy this line and paste it here. Hit enter. It will build all the necessary native files and directories for us. But there is a warning. It is telling us to run this command. Let's do that. Write the command as seen on the screen. Hit enter. Okay. Now, let's go ahead. Finally, this command is to run the app on our Android device. But before that, connect your Android device to the laptop. Then, copy this command and paste it here. Hit enter. It will take roughly 4 to 5 minutes to run the app. Don't worry, it takes this much time only the first time. From next time onwards, it will run quickly. See, the app is getting ready to run. At this point, you will see a pop-up on your Android device. Like this. Here, click the Don't Send button. Now, finally, the app will run on your device. See, the app is ready. We see some text at the center of the screen. But we wanted Hello World text. How do we modify it? To do that, open your project in VS Code IDE. See, I have opened the project in VS Code. Here, open the app.js file. This is the main file that has all our UI and functionalities. See, here's the text view. Remove this text and write Hello World here. Once you save the file, the changes will be reflected in your app. See, we get Hello World on the app as well. But sometimes, even after saving the files, the changes do not get reflected in the app. So what do we do then? Open the command prompt and press the R key on the keyboard. It will forcefully reload the app. See, it says Reloading Apps. And then you will see the latest changes on your device. Now, the most important point. In the previous video, we created the same app using Expo Managed Workflow. At that time, we did not have such an Android folder there. We have it here because this is the Expo Bare Workflow. Here, we get access to the Android and iOS folders, so that we can work on native things also, if we need. See, in the Android folder, you will see all the files and folders that you usually see in any native Android app. So this Bare Workflow is used when you need to implement something on the native side of the app. For example, if you want to mention some runtime permissions in the Android manifest file, then you get this file here. Okay. Now, how do we stop this app? Go to the command prompt and press Ctrl and C key on the keyboard. This will stop the Node.js server. Now, even if you make any changes in the code, those changes will not be reflected in the app. If you want to run the app again, simply use these two commands as we did before. So that's it. That's how we create a simple Hello World app in React Native, using the Expo Bare Workflow. Thanks for watching.